What is Mediterranean cuisine? Origins and characteristics. Have you ever wondered why Mediterranean cuisine is so celebrated worldwide? With its rich flavors, vibrant ingredients, and health benefits, this culinary tradition has won the hearts and taste buds of millions. But what exactly makes Mediterranean cuisine so special, and where did it all begin? Let's take a delicious dive into its origins and unique characteristics. Mediterranean cuisine finds its roots in the regions bordering the Mediterranean Sea, including countries like Greece, Italy, Spain, Turkey, Morocco, and Lebanon. This area is a melting pot of cultures and traditions, all contributing to a cuisine that's as diverse as it is flavorful. The origins date back thousands of years, influenced by ancient civilizations such as the Greeks, Romans, and Phoenicians, who traded spices, grains, and cooking techniques across these lands. What sets Mediterranean cuisine apart is its focus on simplicity and freshness. Ingredients like olive oil, fresh vegetables, legumes, whole grains, and lean proteins take center stage. Dishes are often flavored with herbs like oregano, thyme, and basil, creating a symphony of tastes that are both robust and balanced. Whether it's a classic Greek salad, a hearty Italian pasta, or a Moroccan tagine, every dish tells a story of its heritage. A significant aspect of Mediterranean cuisine is its connection to health. The Mediterranean diet, inspired by this cuisine, has been lauded as one of the healthiest ways of eating. It emphasizes plant-based foods, healthy fats, and moderate consumption of wine, making it both nourishing and satisfying. Studies have linked the Mediterranean diet to benefits such as improved heart health, weight management, and longevity. One of the most delightful features of Mediterranean cuisine is its adaptability. While rooted in tradition, these dishes can be customized to suit individual tastes. For example, you can add a modern twist to a classic hummus recipe by incorporating roasted red peppers or switch out traditional pasta for gluten-free alternatives. The possibilities are endless, making it a versatile choice for any palate. Want to explore Mediterranean cuisine at home? Start with easy-to-make dishes like bruschetta, shakshuka, or a vibrant tabbouleh salad. Experiment with spices like cumin and paprika or drizzle everything with a generous splash of extra virgin olive oil. You'll quickly see why this cuisine is a global favorite. What do you think makes Mediterranean cuisine so special, and which dish would you try first?